Around August of last year, 2020, I ordered this custom-made case by Noreve. I got to choose the finish and color of the exterior. I know it's a little dirty and beat up looking, but don't judge it too much, because actually it's one of my favorite cases I've ever had. I'm going to take the phone out, and I've even chose the interior color, a custom-made interior color. And as a bonus, what I didn't know is that there are 4 magnets inside this case. So if you have the proper phone holder in your car or wherever you decide to use it, it'll just like zip on, which is wonderful. And I need to make a 6-month review for this case because it's held up fairly well. That, and along with the Whitestone Dome, this is a tempered glass that I have that actually uses a UV light, which it comes with it in the box, to adhere the tempered glass to the phone perfectly. It comes with this case that you just lay the phone in, follow the instructions, and basically it's still on the phone. So the case and the Whitestone Dome together has so far been working out pretty well. I've dropped it a few times, even one time really badly, and the case took a little bit of a hit. Other than that, the phone was pretty much perfect, and I was shocked. I was pretty sure that the phone died. And then a few months go by, I purchased my Galaxy Z Fold. I'm sure you guys are all aware. Sorry if it's a little unfocused. But when I purchased this phone, there was absolutely no cases out. And then I believe around December, actually around November, I got an email from Noreve. And this is the box that the case comes in. It's really, really professional. When you open the box, you get this pouch, and inside the pouch is your phone. It's a Noreve pouch, very professional. And I actually have, oh wow, I have my old, this was a temporary case that I had on it. It's the Galaxy case. Apparently stars light up in the back. It's pretty cool. I thought it was alright for temporary reasons. Not for $60 though. I believe it came out for $60. I bought it for like $20. It was on sale. I don't think anyone was buying it. When I got this product, I was like, wow, it comes in this box, comes in the bag. Such a professional company. Mind you, I paid nearly almost $100 for this case. I love this case so much that I decided to give them another opportunity to make me happy and purchase a case for my Galaxy Z Fold. It took a little over a month, I'm not gonna lie, maybe like a month and like just under a week. And the case is actually finally here. I got another obvious, it takes so long because I'm getting the custom made ones. And if you choose any of them from the inventory, you could probably get it within 2 weeks. If you want to custom make one, you know, old is gold, and I love the vintage look, so I love specific colors, and then I don't mind the fact that this case started looking all beat up because I know even over more time, it'll even look more beautiful. And I definitely want to give you some more close-ups, but if you look at the wrinkles in the leather, they're actually quite beautiful. And I'm just so excited because this case, I mean, literally everyone was waiting for. No one knew where to get any. Samsung didn't have any. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, or any of the local carriers, they were not selling any of the cases. So Noreve gave me an email saying that we are working on a Galaxy Z Fold case. We'll let you know when you can actually order one. It took a while, and I finally ordered it. Then I waited a month, and now it's here. They do not charge for shipping. So even though on the back here it says that they paid like $15 to ship it to me, that's on them. Or the value of this case, they have it for $15. If it loses, then that's like the insurance. But It's a fucking $110 case, and it better be beautiful. I'm gonna just go with the standard. Let's rip it just straight open, because I already know that inside this is another box. Yep. I already knew. Beautiful. There it is. It's even bigger than the last box. Wow. It's gonna tower this box. Can you guys even see that? It's hilarious. And inside of this is the beauty that I've been waiting for so damn long. Oh, I can never get sick of that, ever. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun. Let's see. We're gonna look at this together. Why is my... Sorry. There you go. Oh, forgot about the bag. It is in the bag. I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. It's inside this bag. Oh my goodness. I just had a little sneak peek. Here it comes. Oh man. And there it is. I know you can't really see too much of it, but it's a soft leather. Like it has hairs to it, and I chose a nice bright color because I don't believe I'm going to be having the same traffic that I have with this phone. So this was perfect. Oh, it's actually 2 pieces. Okay. That's very strange. How are they going to do that? Okay. And let's get... Oh, man. I totally forgot that I chose it with the custom made... Come on. There you are. Lavender interior. That's so nice. And here's the other side. And even here they worked in the interior. See the lavender on the sides? It's so soft. So soft and so light. I don't think this one has magnets. I have a laptop here that has magnets when you close the lid. What? Yo, it has magnets on this side. That is insane. Oh my goodness. We got to get this on. We got to get this on right now. Right now. I already cleaned my phone. Waiting for this moment. So this is the camera side. Should be. Oh my goodness. That was nice and easy. Wow. Do you see that already? How that's looking? What? What? And I can just slide this one in. Oh, wow. Look at that case. That is so beautiful. I'm so happy. I don't care how long that took. And if I put it sideways like this, you can even see the hairs. Can I even... Yeah, look, you can even do a little pattern. Look, you can see me even write on it. Soft hair leather. Wow, and there's the front. And I mean the lip on this screen is beautiful. Hold on. Can you see the lip? That's quite a fat lip. Now let's do the main reason why no one could make a case for this phone. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Unreal. Sorry. That's just so nice. Wow. Let me hold it this way so my hand doesn't get in the way. That is so awesome. Worth every penny and every second spent waiting on it. Little over a month. And it doesn't add weight to the device either, because the Galaxy the Galaxy Z Fold is pretty heavy. Wow. We gotta do the smell test. Make sure it's real leather. Oh yeah, that right there is real leather. I'm so happy. And I don't know if you guys caught on to the little Easter egg. I don't know if you guys caught on. But the interior of this cover, sorry guys. Keep assuming. You see that interior color? That's the same color as this baby right here. I just loved it so much that I decided to get it as the exterior for this phone. And the interior, we have that lavender interior. I just thought it would be beautiful. Yes, this one might seem a little brighter than that one, but we also got to give into the fact that they're two different materials. I got the Horizon leather on this one, and then I got the Exception leather on this one. And you guys could go right now to noreve.com. I'll guide you, no problem. I will lead the way. Sorry for the clumsiness. Smartphone. Galaxy. Samsung. Galaxy Z Fold 2. And I kept saying Galaxy Z Fold, totally forgetting that there was a first one. This is a Galaxy Z Fold 2. Sorry if I didn't mention that earlier. And see here, starting at $75. These are all the ones that they have in stock right here. But if you want to personalize, you do that. Here are your options: Evolution, Perpetual, Ambition, Exception, Pulsion, Illumination, Ethique, Horizon, Temptation, Tropezine, Addiction, and Patent. So Horizon was what I got on my other fold, the Galaxy S20 Plus. I got the Antruche Desert. And that would have been if that I got that for this phone. But for this phone, I got the Exception, which would have looked good in black. Oh, actually that's a different one. They don't have the examples, because imagine how many combinations they would have to have. But if I just did this, yeah, that right there shows the Exception leather, because you can see the small hairs in it. But I got the green right here, and it's very close. The green is brighter in the color in the screen, but I'm still very happy. And then over here, choose another color interior. It was normally going to come with the green, and we have the lilas. interior. And it came out to $116. It said custom fabric on demand 14 days. However, that was not true. I did get mine in just about a month to a little over a month. I don't know exactly how Noreve calculates what the business days are. I don't know if the holidays count. I mean, I'm sure holidays also count as non-business days. But it does say here 100% satisfied or your money back. I am 100% satisfied. Thank you very much, Noreve. For any of you who would like to get any of these cases, the website is noreve.com. I'm already a big-time customer from my first case to my second case to maybe some cases I might be purchasing as gifts for other people. And I'm also hoping that Noreve will start making, you know, who knows? They'll start making cases for controllers and other shit, headphones that I could buy. If they make a case for my Sennheiser earbuds, I'll buy it. Why not? If I can custom make it, I'd love to do that. I'm all about the customizations. This company is amazing. They even reach out to you on email letting you know that they need more time and whatever the case is. So I also earned a VIC card, very important customer card, and with that card you can get 10% from every purchase ever going forward after your second purchase. I have my 2 purchases and I'm just awaiting the card. If you guys liked this case, let me know. And if this video helped you find a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 2, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. And the next video that I'll be making is because the tempered glass on this phone is slowly coming off. In the next video, we'll be switching it out. I'll show you guys how to change the Whitestone Dome tempered glass from the previous one and how to remove that properly without scratching the phone and making a mess, and how to install the new one. Thank you very much. Thanks for bearing with me. Take care.